Parashnath Education Center by Ashish Jain sir. Nature and Significance of Management, Class 12th, Lecture 5, Topic Functions of Management. So, the 5 functions of management are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These are the 5 main functions of management, which includes each and every point. So first of all, we will study about the planning. Planning is always the first function preferred by every manager. Planning refers to deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who will do it. Planning bridges the gap between where we are at present and where we will tomorrow. Planning is the base of all the functions of management. Second function is organizing. So organizing is the second function which is set up by every manager and to establish the plan. Setting organizational structure means deciding the framework, what to do and in how many time, how many units can be produced and its sub units or departments are needed, how many posts they need, how many different people they need, and what organizational structure set up by them is decided in planning, after which is the organizing. Third function is staffing. Staffing is the third step of every manager. It refers to requirement, selection, appointing of employees, assigning the duties, and evaluating the performance of each employee. Directing is the fourth function of management. Once the employee are appointed, the another point is the manager has to direct them how to do the work, supervising them, motivating them, communicating, and leadership comes under the directing point, which is the fourth function of management. And last function is controlling. So controlling is the last function of managers. In this function, manager try to match the actual performance with the planned performance. Is there no gap match between both the managers? Try to find out the reasons of the suggestions. Controlling functions refers to all performance measurement and follow-up action that kept the actual performance on the path of प्लानिंग. तो प्लानिंग के टाइम क्या किया गया था, वो कंट्रोलिंग में हुआ है कि नहीं, ये सब ध्यान में रखा जाता है. यहाँ एक बात और बता दें कि ये दो, प्लानिंग एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, दीज आर द टॉप लेवल फंक्शंस. स्टाफिंग इज द मिडिल लेवल. स्टाफिंग इज द middle level function, and directing and controlling, these two are of the lower level function. So ध्यान रखना, प्लानिंग और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग जो है टॉप की आती है, स्टाफिंग मिडिल लेवल में होती है और डायरेक्टिंग कंट्रोलिंग लोअर लेवल में. अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल these 5, there is one more important function of every manager which has to perform, and that is the coordination. Coordination means bringing together the activities and resources of organization and bringing harmony in them. Coordination is the base or primary function of every manager because various departments of an organization are working independently and there is a need to relate and integrate their activities. The features of coordinations we will discuss now. Integrates group activities and efforts. The concept of coordination always applies to group efforts. मतलब उसमें सभी का कार्य एक ग्रुप के द्वारा होता है. There is no need of coordination when only single individual is working. The need of order line less integration arise only when more individuals are working in different comes and different backgrounds. वो विभिन्न एरिया से आते हैं, विभिन्न कार्य क्षेत्र के होते हैं और सभी मिलकर एक कार्य को पूर्ण करने में लगे हैं। अगर हम देखें कि कोई भी सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स हमारे पास जो आता है, पेप्सी, कोका कोला, तो ये क्या एक व्यक्ति के द्वारा बनाए हुए हैं? नहीं, किसी ने उसको डिज़ाइन किया है, किसी ने बॉटल को डिज़ाइन किया है, किसी ने कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स को डिज़ाइन किया है। उसके केमिकल्स डिपार्टमेंट अलग रहते हैं, रिसर्च डिपार्टमेंट अलग रहते हैं, सेलिंग डिपार्टमेंट्स अलग रहते हैं। ये सभी मिलकर एक पूर्ण कार्य को अचीव पुल आउट करते हैं। यूनिटी ऑफ एफर्ट्स जो सेकंड पॉइंट्स आता है, तो कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑलवेज यूनिफाइज द एफर्ट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल बिकॉज conflicting efforts may cause damage to organization. The main aim of every manager is to coordinate the activities and function of all individuals to common goal. एक गोल के लिए सभी को मदद करनी है, कार्य करना है, करना। It is a continuous process, कभी न खत्म होने वाली प्रक्रिया है coordination. Okay, the manager work continuously to achieve coordination and maintain coordination because without coordination companies cannot efficiently work. Then comes the responsibility of all managers. एक काम करने के लिए सभी मैनेजर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है। कोऑर्डिनेशन is not the task of only top level but middle level, lower level and all. The top level try to coordinate the overall plan and policies of organization. Middle level try to coordinate departmental activities and lower level coordinates the activities of workers. So these are the main features of coordination. Integrates group efforts, unity of efforts, continuous process, responsibility of all managers. Thank you for listening. So here chapter first, nature and significance of management is been over. I hope you all like and enjoy it. Please just like and subscribe my channel, Parashnath Education Center by Asif Jain sir. Thank you.